On 14th July 2022, the Nongkrem Youth Development Association had organized an inaugural function of the Badminton and Basketball Court at Madan Ïewpyrsing, Nongkrem. The project has been developed under the Assam Rifles Civic Action Plan 2021-2022 and has been funded by the Directorate General of the Assam Rifles. Those present included the Commandant Assam Rifles, Colonel B. Vijay Kumar, members of the Darbar of Nongkrem village, residents and others. The chief guest on the occasion, Commandant Assam Rifles Colonel B. Vijay Kumar, while addressing the gathering, said that the project aims at strengthening the bond between the armed forces and the residents of Nongkrem village. He also assured everyone present that the Assam Rifles will always be there to support the public in every way possible.
As a bonding between Assam Rifle and the village, I hope both the courts will come in good way to improve your skill in badminton and basketball. Like Mr. Chairman said, the name of light court should be changed to Nongkrem village. I am very new to the present appointment, so it will take some time for me to firstly understand why it is light court, why can't it be Nongkrem. But definitely I will try my best to change the name to Nongkrem. But I don't know the formalities, let me study the case first. One more thing, during this financial year, one more project has been sanctioned to the village, that is open air gym. So the chairman, it is for about 4 lakh rupees. So what I request the chairman to identify a suitable location where it can be established and what all items the villagers required to establish the open air gym. It is for about 4 lakh rupees. That we will be doing in the current financial year. Once we complete that project, then we can take on the next project of solar lights, additional solar lights, like the chairman has requested. And I am promising that Assam Rifle always will be here to support you people. It shall be a pleasure for us to help you. Thank you.